Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate these cute Moomin nails. Start off by painting all of your nails a sheer pink. Use white paint or polish to make a kind of kidney bean shape for Moomin's head. Add two tall, pointy ears at the top of the head. Outline everything with black. Keep using black to add the centers of the ears, the eyes, and the eyebrows. For the eyes, you'll want to make the outlines of two ovals with two smaller, solid ovals inside of them. Sealing your design with a top coat. For the second version of Moomin, make a similar head shape, but this time make the left side a little bit more curved and the top of the head a little bit wider. Add one ear pointing straight up and one pointing out to the right. Add a little pink heart to the right of Moomin. Outline Moomin with black. To make Moomin's closed eyes, make two curved lines with black and then add little upward vertical ticks to the inner corners. Outline the heart with black and then add some thin lines radiating out from it. Sealing your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!